Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do my weekly plan with me in my Dollar Tree planner, which I keep in this Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook that is approximately B6 size. However, I've been using this planner as a social media planner, and recently I found out that I must start keeping a food diary. So I was thinking I would wait until October to start using this for the food diary, but I think I'm going to go ahead and move in and start using it now for the food diary, because this was actually this was last week. This is actually starting to be too small for me as a social media planner. So I'm going to move my social media planner from here to the teacher planner that I got for 36 cents. If you don't know about that, check out my previous haul video. I'll put a link in the eye above to that. But I'm going to use one of those planners, which I've already started using. I asked the question in my Facebook group. The Facebook group link is in the description box below if you're interested in joining the group. But I asked the question in the group what size and if I should use a planner or a traveler's notebook, and most people mentioned that I should use something small that I could carry with me. But I don't think I need to carry it with me to use it as a food log. And I think B6 size is small enough. I'm going to try this and see how it works out. I don't see that I need to carry this in a bag or a purse. So like I said, I'm just going to see how it works out. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to wait until October. So this week I'm going to start. Also, I will be going back to the gym within the next few weeks as soon as I'm cleared to do so. So I can use this as a fitness, health kind of thing as well, if I have enough room. So I pulled out this washi tape. This is from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure that I have all the correct washi tapes in here. It may have been mixed up with something else. But this is what I'm going to use for my spread. I was hoping this washi tape wouldn't be too wide to use as a header, but I think it is. But I think it's so cute that we aren't going to probably make that work anyway. So I probably need to trim off about 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to go a little more than what I need because I want to be able to keep certain dolls on the page. So there we go. Guess I can finally pull this up. And I want to take about 1/8 of an inch off. So kind of just line that up. Take that off. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this out because, as you can see, you can actually see through that tape. So let's wipe some of this out. So I'm going to stop it right there because of the way this book is put together. These lines don't line up quite right, so I'm going to end this here. And I know I'm probably not 100% straight, but it shouldn't matter since the paper, the washi tape is white, so kind of just blends into the background. Probably should have cut off a little bit more for this one because the way the paper is lined up, it's still hanging on the edge a little bit. But we're just gonna trim it off. You know what? I'm not even gonna trim that off. I'm just gonna fold it over. It'll disappear into the page. Yeah. And then just trim off this little piece right here. Okay. So let's see what we're gonna do for our days of the week. I used Chrissy Ann Designs in my other spread, and I think I may use them in this one too. So I don't know, I'm in a fun, whimsical spread feel for the week. But I don't think I have any more of the all black. Let's put down the washi. I don't think I've ever used this one. I really like that, but it's too busy. I need something more simple, I think. I think I'll use that. I don't want to take up a whole lot of space with dolls, but I can use these girls, I think, as little stickers. And I don't like that the weekend is so small. But I think I can make it work for what I need. Okay, and then let's see. Oops. Okay. Then, let's see. I'm going to put a Publix sticker down because I do need to shop for my food. So normally, if you watch my other Plan With Me's, I normally do that on Thursdays. But this Thursday, I'm going to be busy, so I'll probably have to do it a different day in the week. Yeah, so I'm probably going to have to do that Wednesday. Let's see, let's put it here. And I have this food sticker book from the Happy Planner. So let's see what I can use out of here. Right off, I see that I like this little cup. So I'm going to use that. Put some bananas down. That's better. I didn't put down my days, and I think I need to move this today sticker. Let's set that aside for now. Let's put down some days. I'm going to use these. That will be, I think I'm going to release these to patrons this weekend. So if you're a Patron Plus member, you will have access to these days of the week files. Oh, I wonder if I could do it like that. Let's do that. It's something different. I think I'm just going to do set and sun. Oops. Okay. So I'm done with this layout. It's a little cleaner than what I usually do in this planner, but I testing out to see how much room I'm actually going to need. So let's go ahead and pop this in to the notebook. Oh, I cannot reach in there and get that. Okay. There we go. So no more social media planner here. It is now a food diary. Keep track of my food. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.